Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. I will be typing for 5 minutes, or trying to improve my typing for 5 minutes, and then we will program an application for 30 rinse and repeat. So, yeah, let's get into it. Start a timer. Five 46. 5:46. Still have a time to do another one. Oh, This is not good. This is really bad, actually. Okay. 11. Okay, so that concludes the typing session. And I was thinking about remapping my keyboard, but what I will do... Fuck. Oh, yes, I am uploading. Okay, cool. It's a little confusing, the new YouTube dashboard. Okay, so that works. And come on. Seriously? Oh well. Told me no. Okay, so that concludes our typing session, and we will go forward and do the thing, which is, I don't know what it is. Create a table for ingredients. Yeah, so this is done from here. I have some error. Oh yeah, and I don't have the thing specified which he had in the tutorial, which is over here.
Going on and see what is database is the script CPU or net and data to the home of how we don't have to.
Where is that? Here.
LJ.
So hey, create student
And open up the pom.xml. Before we meet,
some
so
command.
click reload project.
Load, yes. Now
Database.
show me the
Starting
options.
everything, and that's base.
Show me the
for data
configuration.
strips.
Where's the fucking configuration?
Generate add.
Okay, so maybe he did it before.
So, and great. So I'm gonna need to make a deal point down this and just follow. This is the port.
Okay. And look at these. data source URL probably gPC. This PostgreSQL. Host and at 5, 4, 2. And we will do, okay, so maybe here, not any creation. Okay, so I will do how did you create the database? Oh, he copied it from his JPA, whatever. People are tutoring maybe. This would be the database name or the table name. Oh, what the fuck?
Right here. Again, I'm gonna leave this in the description of this video so you can follow along. Now I'm gonna go back to
Yeah, you didn't. Okay. Whatever.
leave this in the description of this video
Everyone
so you
can make
follow
mistakes. And URL. Scout for the time being. Spring data source. Username. Password. Create drop. What? I don't know what it is. So we'll be destroying the previous ones. Okay. True. Then we have properties hibernate. API properties hibernate. What? Spring JPA properties Hibernate. Dot Hibernate dot dialect dot PostgreSQL it just says PostgreSQL dialect. Is deprecated or what? It's deprecated. It doesn't tell me anything else. Extend PostgreSQL 82. Oh well, we'll just keep it right now. And Hibernate format SQL. JPA properties. Is that what? Oh. Properties. That okay, so now it's okay. Are you even a person, Clasher? Spring JPA properties, Hibernate. That's weird. SQL. True.
Now I'm gonna go back
We have
to
that. Okay, so, I will try to run it. Cool. That's good. I had different error. Unable to open JDBC connection. Okay, so is my container running? Yeah, it is. Oh, well, I have a different have a wrong database in there, right? I'm telling him to connect to Amiga's code, but that's not true. That's not what I have.
And I'm going to open up the applications.property or properties and then paste that in. There we go. So this is the configuration that we need in order to connect to a database.
Hey Tomcat.
So this is the URL.
This is not good, not bad.
And in here,
there is no good, there is no bad.
Database. So here, let's call it student.
It's all illusion.
Instead of Amigo's code.
Oh, okay, so that is the table name. That would be the table name, I think. Come on. Database, and we have a Postgres and blah blah blah. So how does his database look like? Oh, yes. Now I'm really considering that he's not a real person, that is a bot that someone wrote, and it just automatically redeems chosen things. Hydrate. Alex sip. Cheers. Holy fuck, that is a real person. Okay. That would be the first time ever I use poke, I think. Now, like here could be, I can view the messages. Yes, 2 messages. Okay, welcome to the chat. Happy to have you here. My personal trainer.
And then we have the username and password. So because I'm on a Mac and I'm using Postgres app, so this for local development is empty. And then have the JPA create drop. So this means that we have a clean state every time we run the application. And then show the SQL. We also want the dialect to be Postgres. And then format the SQL. So you'll see all of this in action in a second. Now, the easiest way for you to download and install Postgres on a Mac, so it's so go ahead, link here, JPA with database. Do the following. This is the database name right here. Change is do the following. Student. So this is the database name right here.
Database name, thank you.
So I already have a database up and running. And again, if you want to learn how to work with databases, go ahead and check my website. So this is the Spring Data JPA, but I also have a free course just on Postgres, including the advanced databases and database design and implementation, where you will master everything there is to
It's okay. It's Ben Shang from Anxi, Pink Village, especially. From 2013, yeah, 2013.
About databases.
It's okay.
So in here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my shell, and I'm going to type PSQL. And if I do a \L, you can see that we have a couple of databases in here. But what I want really is, if I press Ctrl L, is to create a brand new database. So create database. And then call it student.
Okay, so I'll do that. Oh, what he did, that was, the listing was with /l. So I have a Postgres template, so I will create database, and this will be food. It depends on the tea. Some of the teas are really good for archiving and storing, and some of them are not. The fuck? And also depends on the environment where you store it,
databases in here. But
because that can make and break a good tea after a few years.
Brand new database, so create database and then call it student and then semicolon.
Oh, I forgot. It will not be executed until I put in the... Here we go. No, it's here. It's called food. That's good. Okay, so that works. What the fuck is wrong with this? Okay, good. So now, if can I reload somehow? Wait, yes, here. Control F5. So there should be... in hours. That's good. Just relax. We are relaxing here. Did you wrote it? Good. You didn't? Good. Does it matter? No. Fuck. So you have a food, Postgres, and so on. How's the connection here? So localhost user. Oh, here we go. So I do food connection. Yes, that works. Copy. Apply. Okay. Now. So that means this. I'll change this over here.
And there we go. So now you can see that we have a...
Okay, and now when I run it, maybe I will see that it will finally create my table. Or it will blow up and I will get... plate of chili. Unable to open JDBC connection from DLL execution. Okay, so there will be some more things, and that might be, what is the cause of it? The server requested password based. Okay, but no password was... okay, cool. So we can fix that. We can fix that. And you won't tell, right? Password and so on. Yeah, and I will run it again. What about now? Look at that. So we did make a connection. Bum bum. Well, this. Oh, okay. Oh, my connection is fucked up. It's all over the place. Look, this is how it looks. Blah, 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 blah. It's fucked up. Oh, fuck. I just closed something and I don't know what. Oh, I know what. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, that's that. Okay, it works. Good. What is this? Okay, I don't want this. Da, 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 da. So we have that, which is kind of nice. I don't know what file list. We have that, yes. Then I do this. Any relation? There's no relations. Okay, cool. Yeah, the thing is, I drop it every single time I close the session, right? So we will have a create here. How I rerun it. Okay, create table ingredient. So here we have that thing, and is it now in there? Maybe I'm doing something wrong.
Database that we can use. Now, if I type backslash and then du, you can see that I do have two roles. So amigos.
Okay, so I need to set up the roles, I think, but okay.
Code in Postgres. So in here, what I'm going to do is say grant and then all privileges on.
We have all privileges in here.
On, and then the database that I've just created, student, and then to amigos code. There we go. Semicolon.
Hey, Yorkson.
And this should be database. So on and then database. There we go. Enter. And let's also give it to Postgres. So just like that.
How does it look?
Now, if I clear the screen, and then type backslash and then L, you can see that we have this database right here called student. So if I connect to,
yeah, but that's not what you just did, fucker. There's the access privileges. Okay, so that's something else. Okay, so here, okay, so we are granting the privileges, and I want to grant the privileges on that guy. So we will grant all privileges on database, food to Postgres. Postgres to Postgres. Okay. Grant. Okay, cool. Now if I do /L, I have a access. Okay, so let's run our application once again. And now what? So the Hibernate did something. We have a Tomcat, there's a server part. Okay, so it's running, right? So I can right now, so if I do localhost, that's 8080. I think, yes, it's up and running. Let's just focus on the code. Yeah, my connection is pretty shitty. You see that? Do you see that red? That means bad. So I guess it will be so today. I don't know anything what to do about it. Well, so right now the next step which I want to do is so GPA and then Postgres driver application property escalation. Then what will be here? Okay. Let's conclude this round.